Hey, what's one of the biggest mistakes most doctors and teams make that stop them from fulfilling their purpose, that stop them from getting all families, that stop them from getting spouses to day to ROF, that stop them from teaching a workshop or whatever it takes to fulfill their purpose on the highest level? And I had four management groups and I noticed this same thing. And what's the answer to that? Standards. See, we have a purpose. We want the spouse to the ROF, but you know what? We only get 3 or 4 out of 10. And, we taught a workshop, but I couldn't get people there. So we stopped teaching it. And I stopped asking spouses to the day to ROF. And yeah, we get kids, but, there's just some people, they just don't want to bring them. And hey, I've been through all that, man. But here's the problem: if you lower your standard, then that's why you don't teach a workshop. That's why we stopped asking. Rather than raising your skill when you're unwilling to lower your standard and then you raise your skill to meet that standard. That's like a high jump bar. Hey, if you're going to set the bar, if you got to jump a 7'2" bar, 7 feet 2 inches, to fulfill your purpose on the highest level, you can't run 5 feet under the bar and jump on the mat like you won the gold medal. Like you're jumping like this, the crowd's going, "What's he doing, man? He's crazy. He ran under the bar." And so I noticed that the systems I was being taught with patient education weren't able to get me to the standard. Now, what's the standard in elite? 8 out of 10 spouses to day 2 ROF. We say the lowest standard is 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 families bringing their kids when it really should be 10 out of 10, right? 10 out of 10 going to the workshop with their spouse. And what other standard have you compromised? Hey, call me, let me know, send me an email, Dr. Fred, DRFRED1, the number 1 at MSN.com, or call me, 425-765-3454, and talk about the standard that you may have given up on that you would like to reach. Do you want 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 parents bringing their kids? Do you want 8 or 9 out of 10 spouses at day 2 ROF? Because if you do, you're going to get their kids, you're going to get the spouse to sign up. Do you want 10 out of 10 coming to your workshop with their spouse? Because if you want to do that, then there is a skill and a strategy that raises you up, gives you the skill to get over that bar. And what I found, it wasn't patient education, it was changing beliefs. So if you're not reaching the bar of your purpose, you want to be bigger, you want to make a bigger impact, regardless of your level of success. This is for people that know there's more in them than what they're doing right now. No matter what your income is, no matter what lifestyle or that there is, you want to make a generational impact. Schedule a generational breakthrough call. Let's talk about it. I gave you my email, gave you my phone number. You can schedule a call. Let me know what bar you want to jump over, and I will show you exactly. I will give it to you, give you the tools that can help you get over the bar. Hey, after spending 6 figures in coaching, I went out and studied from Tony Robbins, all the industry disruptors. I guarantee you that we can give you that answer. So let's make a bigger impact than we've ever made before. Let's not only raise the bar, but get over that bar and create a generational legacy, not just build a practice. All right, love you guys. Peace.